DESLOC D110 Plus Smart Lock Review. Affordable, secure, and feature-rich. The DESLOC D110 Plus combines affordability, security, and convenience. With integrated Wi-Fi, advanced biometrics, and a durable build, it delivers modern access control while ensuring homeowners enjoy both everyday ease and reliable protection in a sleek, stylish design. Unlike many app-only locks, the D110 Plus features Lock View display. This built-in screen allows users to assign codes, review alerts, and manage access directly at the door, giving instant control without needing to rely solely on a smartphone. Fingerprint recognition is lightning fast. Using the flash print algorithm, the lock identifies prints in less than 0.3 seconds. With a capacity for 50 saved prints, family members and guests enjoy secure, effortless entry without fumbling for traditional keys. Durability meets trust with BHMA, Grade 3 certification for residential security. FingerShield biometric protection encrypts stored prints, preventing misuse. Together, these safeguards reinforce the D110 Plus as a dependable solution balancing modern convenience with professional-grade protection for households. Packed with thoughtful touches, the lock includes auto-lock for safety, anti-peeping pin entry using random digits, and a mechanical backup key. These combined features ensure reliable access management while protecting homeowners from accidental lapses or security threats. 4 AA batteries power the lock for up to 6 months. Should power run out, the Type-C emergency charging port enables connection to a power bank, preventing users from being locked out due to battery depletion. Built-in Wi-Fi links seamlessly to the DESLOC app, plus Alexa and Google Assistant support. Users can lock, unlock, or check door status remotely. With voice-enabled commands and automation, the D110 Plus blends smoothly into today's smart homes.
Go to GearBrain for more information.